Have you ever wondered if it is possible to clone a human being? Welcome back to Know This. Today, we are diving into the fascinating and controversial topic of human cloning. We will explore the science behind cloning, the potential benefits, ethical dilemmas, and whether it is theoretically possible. Let us get started. First, let's understand what cloning is. Cloning is the process of creating an identical copy of an organism. The most famous example is Dolly the sheep, the first mammal cloned from an adult cell in 1996. This breakthrough showed that it is possible to create a genetically identical organism using a process called somatic cell nuclear transfer, or SCNT. In SCNT, the nucleus of a donor adult cell is transferred into an egg cell whose nucleus has been removed. The egg is then stimulated to develop into an embryo, which is implanted into a surrogate mother. If the embryo develops successfully, a clone is born. Now, let us dive into the science of human cloning. In theory, the process would be similar to what was done with Dolly the sheep. A cell from a person would be taken, and its nucleus would be inserted into an egg cell that has had its nucleus removed. This new egg, containing the person's DNA, would be stimulated to start dividing and developing into an embryo. The embryo would then be implanted into a surrogate mother, and if it develops successfully, a cloned human would be born. The potential benefits of human cloning are vast. For example, it could provide a way to create genetically identical organs for transplants, reducing the risk of rejection. It could also be used in medical research to study genetic diseases and develop new treatments. Imagine being able to clone cells or tissues to replace damaged ones in patients with severe injuries or degenerative diseases. Moreover, human cloning could offer new insights into the aging process. By studying clones, scientists might better understand how aging works and develop ways to slow it down. This could lead to breakthroughs in extending human lifespan and improving the quality of life as we age. However, the ethical dilemmas surrounding human cloning are significant. Many people are concerned about the moral implications of creating a human being in a lab. Questions arise about the rights and identity of the cloned individual. Would they be considered a person with the same rights as any other human? What psychological impact might cloning have on the clone, knowing they are a genetic copy of someone else? There are also concerns about the potential for abuse of cloning technology. In a world where human cloning is possible, there could be a risk of creating designer babies or even clones for exploitative purposes. The idea of cloning humans raises profound ethical and social questions that society must carefully consider. Could this lead to a new form of inequality, where some individuals are deemed more valuable based on their genetic traits? Currently, human cloning is not only ethically controversial but also scientifically challenging. While scientists have cloned animals, the process has a high failure rate and often results in clones with significant health problems. The complexity of human biology makes cloning even more difficult, and many researchers believe we are far from achieving successful human cloning. The process of SCNT is fraught with difficulties, including issues with cell reprogramming and the development of healthy embryos. In conclusion, while human cloning is theoretically possible using techniques like SCNT, it remains a highly controversial and ethically charged topic. The potential benefits are intriguing, but the ethical dilemmas and scientific challenges cannot be ignored. What do you think? Should we pursue human cloning, or are the risks too great? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Know This for more thought-provoking discussions. See you next time.